Dean joined the army to follow in the footsteps of both of his grandfathers. It was something he always wanted to do, and he joined up when he was 19 years old, but was discharged 2 years later as a result of the injuries. The damage to Dean's hearing was caused by training to be a soldier. So it was infantry training in Catterick, and they were doing live firing exercises. Hearing protection was provided, but it wasn't sufficient to protect from the level of noise he was being exposed to. Dean suffers from noise-induced hearing loss and tinnitus. It can stop you from sleeping, it can stop you from relaxing, it can be very damaging to mental health, and there's no cure or treatment for tinnitus. This damage was picked up during the army medical tests he had regularly, and he ended up being medically discharged. He is limited in terms of occupations because some jobs will need him to do a hearing test. For example, he couldn't go into the police, another thing he thought he might want to do as a result of not being able to be in the army. These are permanent injuries that he will have forever. So we were able to bring a claim against the Ministry of Defence and obtain compensation for Dean for the actual injuries, but also his loss of earnings in the army and his loss of future pension that he would have had if he'd have stayed in the army. And I'm hopeful that with the help of the compensation, he will be able to succeed in his future aspirations.